Hello everyone, welcome to our vlog and shout out all of our followers. And right now, I'm gonna try my best to speak in English since we have one follower from Morocco. He's an electrical engineering student. His request if I can make a video how to do the system configuration and do the parameter setting in an EC Builder Pro. An EC Builder Pro software is a software that we use in a Wintec panel. So how to communicate HMI panel into the PLC or any type of PLC. Actually, his request, if I can make it using the Schneider Electric PLC, which I don't have one. So actually, what I have right now is the ClickOyo PLC. So I'm gonna use it in this video so he can also get an idea about it. Let's gonna do this. Since we had already an EC Builder Pro, so we're gonna open it. And as you can see, it's now loading, so we'll just wait. So now we are here. So actually, we have a recent project. So if you don't have a project yet, so you just create new. So we'll try this one. So create a new project. This is the screen that we are gonna use. So it's Wintec. It's a different sizes. So for us, we're gonna use this IE series HMI panel. So we're gonna use this one. Just click it. It's already open. So as you can see here at the top, there's a system parameter setting. So we have our local HMI. So this is the device type, and by doing the system parameter setting, so since we have a PLC, for example, so we need to add a new device. This is our PLC that communicate to our HMI. So click it, new device server, and here is it. So your device name, ClickOyo PLC HMI device, so local, so this location, and also you have a device type. This one is, you're gonna click it here. You can see a lot of PLCs. So all the brands, just click what PLC you are using. So we have here the Emerson, we have also Highwell, and also Hitachi. Just click and look for your PLC. So since I'm using a ClickOyo PLC, so I will click it here, and this is ClickBit Modbus TCP IP. So this is the one that I used. Then here's the internet and setting the what we call IP address. So after you finish here, just click it OK. Then here is it. Then next steps is just click OK. So that's it. You already include your device that communicates to our HMI. So if you lost that settings, so you can go back here at your left hand side, the upper portion. So there's a system parameter, so just click it so you can go back to the system parameter setting. So that's all, guys. Thank you and God bless.